Stumbling upon the dusty relic at a neighborhood garage sale, I felt an odd pull toward the antique typewriter. It was a relic from a forgotten era, its keys worn but inviting. I placed it in my small apartment, eager to hear the satisfying clack of keys under my fingers. It started innocently, typing nonsense to test the machine. But then, the keys began to move on their own, spelling out secrets only I knew. The first night, it typed out the name of my childhood dog, long buried in my hometown. I laughed it off as coincidence. But as the nights wore on, the typewriter revealed more. My first crush, the lie I told to get my first job, even the secret shame I buried deep inside, a moment of cowardice during a high school fire drill. Each revelation left me colder. Desperate to understand, I stayed up one night, watching. The keys moved frantically, spelling a warning, "Leave now." As I read,